In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI Note Taker in ClickUp. ClickUp is a powerful productivity and project management platform, and its AI Note Taker is a game-changing feature that helps you automatically capture important meeting details and streamline your workflow. Whether you're managing tasks, collaborating with your team, or keeping track of meetings, this tool ensures you never miss a beat. Today, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to set it up and integrate it with your calendar so you can start using it right away. Let's get started. First, open ClickUp and locate the left side panel. This is your main navigation area, where you'll find all the tools and sections you use most often. From there, click on the Planner option, which is located just below Home. The Planner is where you'll manage your schedules and integrate your calendar. Next, look for the Settings icon in the Planner section. It's represented by a small gear symbol. Click on that to access the Settings menu. Once you're in the Settings menu, navigate to the Accounts section. This is where you can manage and connect external accounts to ClickUp. Now, click on Add an Account. This option allows you to connect your calendar service to ClickUp. You'll see a list of calendar services to choose from, such as Google Calendar or Outlook Calendar. Select the one you use. After selecting your calendar service, you'll need to sign in with your account credentials. Follow the prompts to log in, and make sure to grant all the necessary permissions so ClickUp can sync with your calendar. This step is important to ensure that your meetings and schedules are fully integrated into the platform. Once you've completed the setup, return to the Planner or the AI Notes section in ClickUp. Here, you'll see your connected calendar listed among the available options. Select your calendar to view your upcoming meetings and events. Now, locate the meeting link for the event you want to work with. This could be a link to a Google Meet, Zoom, or other virtual meeting platform. You can find this in your calendar event details or in the email invitation you received for the meeting. Copy the meeting link. Next, head back to ClickUp's AI Notes section and paste that meeting link into the designated field. This tells the AI Note Taker which meeting to focus on. Finally, click Send to activate the AI Note Taker. Once activated, the AI will join your meeting and start capturing notes in real time. It's as simple as that. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. And that's it. You've successfully set up and activated the AI Note Taker in ClickUp. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.